It's been a hot first start to the work week across west central Texas. It's been a dry start to the work week though. Just a couple of clouds across the big country in the Concho Valley. Notice rain showers though to the northwest in the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. That's thanks to a cold front that's going to be making its way into the big country early tomorrow morning. Tonight we stay dry. See that cold front approaching places like Haskell and Jones County, say by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Might see some showers and thunderstorms across the big country tomorrow. Rain chances are low. I'm going with a 10% tomorrow, mostly along and north of I-20. I think the highest coverage of showers and storms is going to be for your Friday. I'm going to 20% chance, so that means 80% of us are staying totally dry. Saturday, that cold front starts to dissipate a little bit. It should fully dissipate by Sunday. That should be the end of our rain chances. Can't completely rule out some isolated heavy rainfall. I'm not really concerned with the threat for strong to severe thunderstorms. I'm not concerned with hail or gusty straight line winds. No, a couple locations could potentially see a quick inch though of rainfall. So just make sure that you're staying safe on the traffic and staying safe on the road and avoiding any of those flooded roadways. No rain right now in the Key City, just a nice view this Wednesday evening. Still warm though, it is 90 degrees after what was not a terrible start to the day. The low temperature this morning was in the lower 70s in the Key City, but the coolest temperature of the month so far was in San Angelo. It was 62 degrees as you headed out the door. So it was nice, almost a daily low temperature record at San Angelo Mathis Airport. Abilene wasn't that cool. The coolest temperature we've seen so far in Abilene though, that was back on July 9th when it was 68 degrees that morning. Tomorrow morning is not going to be that cool across the area. We're waking up in the upper 60s, lower 70s. About 71 degrees, 8 o'clock. If you plan on going to the pool tomorrow afternoon or really doing anything outside, keep in mind those low-end rain chances. I think the bigger weather story for us tomorrow is still going to be the warm temperatures. 94 degrees about 2 o'clock tomorrow, 97 degrees by the 4 p.m. hour. And I think we could even be warmer than that in the big country, closer to that century mark. We're in the 80s and 90s right now, still sitting at 90 degrees in Breckenridge. That's where they had that heat advisory earlier in the evening. That's since expired. 89 right now, Snyder. 87 right now in the city of San Angelo. Continuing to see those winds out of the southeast ahead of our next cold front, high of 99 tomorrow in San Angelo. 96, check out that Arctic blast, dropping a whopping 3 degrees. Just kidding, it's not really an Arctic blast. We'll see those winds out of the east-northeast, about 5 miles an hour for your Friday. High of 96 for your Saturday as well, with that 10% chance of showers and storms. We quickly warm up though, high of 99 for your Sunday in San Angelo. Hottest day over the next 7 looks to be Monday. I'm going with a high of 101 with those south winds at about 10 miles an hour. Some computer model data suggests it's even hotter next Monday. At this point though, I'm just going with the lower triple digits. Tomorrow's going to be a hot one in the Key City. So even though there's no heat alerts, just make sure you're staying safe and taking those typical summertime heat safety precautions. I'm officially forecasting a high of 102 tomorrow in Abilene. Again, with that 10% chance of showers and storms and those northeasterly winds about 5 miles an hour. You can always find the full forecast online and the latest by following me, meteorologist Britton Musall, on social media. Bert?
On weather.